Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS QuickSight using IAM role permissions step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS QuickSight using IAM role permissions, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM dashboard from the Services menu. In the IAM dashboard, select Roles from the sidebar. Click the Create Role button to begin creating a new role. Choose the AWS Service option for the trusted entity type. Select QuickSight from the list of services. Click the Next Permissions button to proceed. Search for and select the appropriate permissions policy you need for QuickSight. Review the selected policy and click Next Tags to continue. You can optionally add tags to your role for better organization. Click Next Review to proceed to the final steps of the role creation. Enter a name for your role in the role name field. Optionally, provide a description for easier identification. Click the Create Role button to complete the role creation process. Now, navigate to the QuickSight console from the AWS Management Console. Select Manage QuickSight in the upper right corner. Click on Admin to access the QuickSight administration settings. In the Security and Permissions tab, locate the Add or Remove option for IAM roles. Click on Add next to IAM roles, then select the role you just created. Confirm your selection and click the Add Role button. Your IAM role is now linked with QuickSight. Finally, test the authentication by creating a new analysis or dashboard in QuickSight. Check that your data sources are accessible using the permissions granted by the selected IAM role. Follow these steps carefully to authenticate with AWS QuickSight using IAM role permissions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.